Hello, I'm Ash Marston. I'm the Global Account Manager within Fortinet, responsible for the relationship with Deutsche Bank. And I'm joined today by the bank's Global Head of Network, Strategy and Architecture, Umar Ahmed. Umar, thank you so much for joining us today.
Glad to be here, Ash.
Umar, thank you so much for inviting us in here today to your amazing new headquarters. We know each other well, but can you give me a little bit of an insight into Deutsche Bank and your role within Deutsche Bank?
My role at Deutsche Bank is Head of Network, Strategy and Architecture, principally looking at all the technological advancement or any products and services we can bring to the bank which differentiate ourselves from our competitors. Deutsche Bank is the leading bank in Germany, but it's quite broad in Europe in terms of presence. Our products range from corporate banking, investment banking, personal banking, and large amounts of wealth management.
You are truly a global bank.
We've got 90,000 staff. We have presence in 57 countries globally, 1,400 branches.
So Umar, for Deutsche Bank in such a highly regulated environment, network and cybersecurity must be really, really important topics for you.
On one hand, technology is continuing to shape financial services. Processes are quicker, insights are sharper, you're getting all this new information and new ideas are formed. Customers expect a seamless and personalized experience without disruption. Stability and consistency are key. Today, technology is a competitive edge that shapes the experiences of clients and creates entirely new opportunity. On the other hand, an evolving threat landscape emphasizes the critical importance of cyber resilience in the banking sector. This is also reflected in new regulatory requirements.
Tell me about some of the challenges you're facing.
Cybersecurity can never be an afterthought. Financial service institutions are high-value targets, so moving from a reactive to a proactive security posture is essential. A tightly integrated network infrastructure and security architecture is therefore by far the most effective solution.
How does your IT infrastructure security strategy support this?
We have adopted an architecture-led engineering approach. The architecture function is primarily looking at where the bank is heading from a technology perspective, in essence, the what and the why. We provide guidance and vision, and our engineering teams are the enablers of this vision, ensuring that our target state and intent is realized.
Can you tell us a little bit about how Fortinet's supporting this?
I think it's a collaborative partnership. Gone are the days where you have a vendor and a customer, we work together. This is one of the reasons we selected Fortinet as one of our firewall providers. It's a sensible balance of technologies, hardware performance, and really the collaborative spirit between our design teams, both on the Fortinet and the Deutsche Bank side, that's enabled us to deliver a solution which is truly world-class and fit for purpose. From a technology perspective, we've deployed the next generation firewall, which has some fantastic advanced virtualization capabilities. The management tools and the visibility that the firewall provides gives us a security solution that works for us.
So tough question, I know, but what do you think the future holds for your organization?
If we look at the competitive landscape, constant change. With that change, Deutsche Bank have to adapt. And to adapt, your security infrastructure has to constantly evolve. This is why we value the partnership with Fortinet, because you provide a sounding board, giving us some insights into how the industry is behaving.
So at Fortinet, we really see cybersecurity as a key business enabler. Based on that and the relationships you've had with Fortinet over the years, is there any kind of advice that you'd be passing on to your industry peers?
Cyber risk is business risk. So anyone with an executive or fiduciary responsibility within the firm needs to understand all these risks and act accordingly. Given the potential impact on our business continuity and the ever-changing regulatory requirements, it's vital for a modern bank like Deutsche Bank to have a clear way on how to detect, prevent and respond to today's threats.
Umar, what a way to finish. Thank you very much for spending time with us today.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.